across that breathtaking blue terrain. As our country's shipping industry grows, Jiangsu Hanjia Ship Decoration craftsmanship creates quality, guard the deep blue as our mission, silently empowering every voyage with strength. Since in 1994, started with ship interior labor services. After more than a decade of hard work, we officially set sail in 2004. Nantong is the world's largest shipbuilding center, leveraging industrial advantages. Today the company is based here, covers over 1,000 square meters, fully equipped workshops. Hanjia has built a professional team, including engineers, designers, and management elites, certified secondary node for industrial internet identification, and a tax-paying advanced enterprise. We partner with universities to build talent pipelines, build a solid foundation of talent and technology. DNVGL certified, CMA environmental testing, and work safety standardization. Always hold ourselves to the highest standards. Facing industry development, ongoing equipment upgrades, enhancing R&D, partnered with Sima High, Costco, and other industry leaders, earning consistent praise. We are now starting a new chapter in furniture supply with Sima High, backed by reliable quality, silently guarding the special mission of the voyage. Leveraging scientific management and innovation, we specialize in furniture for vessels and offshore engineering, and turnkey interior outfitting, establishing R&D, design, manufacturing, sales, service, safety, entire chain system. Warm and refined wooden furniture, sturdy and reliable steel furniture, from office areas, living quarters, cabins, bridge area, exercise space, medical, special engineering platforms. Our products always fit precisely, superior quality for every vital voyage. Never forget our mission is our firm guiding principle. We are dedicated to our industry and to giving back, caring for the elderly living alone, empowering students, sincerely giving back to society. For us, our mission is to provide every customer with flawless products and services. Our mission is to contribute all our strength to the growth of our nation's shipbuilding industry. We still have a long way to go. Jiangsu Hanjia, committed to quality with a craftsman's spirit, driven by innovation. We advance together with you. Together, let us set sail for a brilliant future in the shipbuilding industry, towards the deep blue.